Hi, I'm Joe Vig with JS Vig Construction Company, and welcome to our Project Green showroom. I'm very excited to show you what we have to offer here at Project Green. And in this opening segment, I'd like to give you a little background on why we decided to build Project Green. Project Green is located here in Ann Arbor, Michigan, in the backdrop of the Big House, the University of Michigan football stadium. So let's start with kind of what's the reasoning at a macro level, what's the need for Project Green? The problem is we here in the United States account for 5%, only 5% of the world's population. Yet we consume 25% of the world's energy, and frankly, probably even a larger percentage of natural resources. 40% of that energy demand is met with oil, and oil, petroleum products contribute to 2/3 of our annual trade deficit. That's a real economic problem. 25% of our energy needs are met with coal, the dirtiest of the fossil fuels. And most experts generally agree that we are nearing or we've passed peak oil, the peak supply of oil, and we're also approaching in the not too distant future peak coal. So we're in a position where we either need to conserve energy or we need to find other sources of cleaner fuels for the future. So what's the solution? Despite the media focus on transportation, as a practical matter, 50%, actually over 50% of our energy in the United States is consumed by our buildings, by the built environment. We've got nearly 5 million commercial buildings, and we've got over 100 million residential units. The average building is over 30 years old, and like the gas guzzlers of yesteryear, most of these buildings have been constructed relatively inefficiently as it relates to the building roofing, the building envelope, and the mechanical and electrical systems. And this results in higher energy cost, really declining indoor air quality, and all the things that could really be relatively easily improved upon. At Project Green, one of our goals and one of our services is to assist clients with the installation of renewable energy. Wind turbines, solar panels, geothermal heating and cooling systems, these are all great long-term solutions. However, as a practical matter, our much greater strategy, our larger strategy, is to focus on simple energy conservation measures to make buildings more efficient. We've found, as a practical matter, with some relatively simple solutions to improve a building's envelope and systems, we can improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality and the overall environment of our homes and businesses by 20, 30, even 40%. The paybacks, they're there. And why more and more of these projects aren't happening, really, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So whatever your politics are as it relates to green, as a practical matter, here at Project Green, we're focused on return on investment and improving the workplace environment and using really simple, practical solutions to accomplish these goals. Thank you.